Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing storage and opening Windows Backup. Plug in your external drive or mount the NAS. Make sure the target has at least 20% extra free space beyond the image size. Then, in Control Panel, open Backup and restore Windows 7. Yes, Windows 10 still uses that tool. Once done, click Create a System Image and choose your connected drive or network location. You do this now to capture system files, programs, and settings before continuing with file selection. You now create the system image and pick what to include. When prompted, select the external drive or network share as the destination because DVDs are slow and error-prone. Next, confirm the drives to backup include C and any system reserved partitions so Windows can boot from the image. Click Start Backup and monitor progress. Large drives may take hours. Make sure the PC stays powered and avoid heavy I/O. Once the image finishes, Windows will notify you and offer a system repair disk. Finish by creating a recovery USB so you can boot and restore the image later. In Control Panel, choose Create a System Repair Disk or use Windows Recovery Drive tool to build a USB, include system files. Then, safely eject and label your backup media and consider an off-site copy or verify by mounting the image in Disk Management. If something goes wrong, use the recovery USB to boot, select Repair your computer. Then restore the system image. If restore fails, check drive health and image integrity first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.